Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to help us grow. I'm going to show you an amazing free all-in-one Windows repair utility that can automatically fix system issues, repair corrupted files, remove bloatware, optimize services, perform registry tweaks, scan for malware, and even launch powerful diagnostic software, all from one single dashboard. This tool is completely free, safe and easy to use, so make sure you watch this video to the end because you are definitely going to use this tool again and again. Now let's jump straight into it. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type repair kit download. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now scroll through and look for the GitHub link. Once you find it, click on it to open it. Once on the GitHub page, click releases. Under releases, you get to see the latest release is 1.3.4. Now scroll down and then under assets, click on the repair kit. The file will begin to download and it's about 85 or 86 megabytes. Once downloaded, open your downloads folder, right click the zip file, then select extract all, then you click extract. After extraction, open the folder, look for the application file named repair kit, right click it, then you run as administrator. If Windows Smart Screen appears, click more info, then click run anyway. Then you click yes to continue. Once launched, you will see a clean dashboard called Repair Kit by File List, and this is an automatic repair utility. The first option is automatic repair, and here is what it actually does. As it says here, Repair Kit will automatically apply registry settings, disable telemetry settings, optimize Windows service, remove bloatware, repair disk issues and more. And then automatic repairs are recommended to be run once per month. This section here applies system registry performance tweaks. It also disables unnecessary telemetry and tracking. Again, it optimizes background services for performance and also repairs file system and disk issues. It can also scan for malware and suspicious components and also update outdated programs. The developer recommends running automatic repair once per month to keep your PC healthy and optimized. If you want to see exactly what changes it makes, you can head back to the folder where you made the extraction and then open the configuration folder. You will see multiple .json files like bloatware.json, diskissues.json, junkfiles.json, registry.json, scanner.json, and then the rest. And you can open any of them with Notepad. So I'll just double click on the services.json file and then I'll select Notepad just once. With the Notepad, you view every tweak and removal rule with full detail. This is great for transparency and learning how this Windows optimization works. So for the services, it will disable ones like the DIAJ track, maps broker, remote access, remote registry service, diagnostics hub, FHSVC service, and then the rest. We can also open the policies.json file and then select Notepad and once. You get to see a list of all the policies that will be tweaked by the repair kit. Then we have the features.json file. We have the Telnet client, Microsoft Windows PowerShell, and then the rest. Then we have the bloatware.json. This one will remove features like the Microsoft 3D Builder, the Microsoft Bing Finance, Microsoft Get Help, Microsoft Copilot. We have the Microsoft Office OneNote, the Remote Desktop, Skype app, Wallet, Windows Phone, Windows Maps, and then etc. Now let's go ahead and then select the actions that we want. I'll check the delete system policies, run registry tweaks, run system tweaks, services, junk files, remove bloatware, update outdated programs, scan for malware, and then repair disk issues. And then I'll select the run features tweaks. Once selected, click run automatic repairs. When it finishes, you will see automatic repairs completed, and just like that, your PC will be faster, cleaner, and more responsive. From here, you can click OK. You will immediately notice that when I click on the Start menu and then click on All Apps, installed bloat apps such as Clipchamp, Microsoft News, Bing Weather, 3D Viewer, Copilot may be removed automatically depending on your configuration. Only important system apps remain, giving you a much cleaner Windows experience. Again, one of the most powerful sections in this tool is called the Useful Program section. This menu lets you launch powerful diagnostic utilities without installing them. Example like the CPU-Z, you can just click on Launch CPU-Z. After clicking on the launch, there will be no installation, no ads, no setup. The program will just launch on its own. With this CPU-Z, you have full access to your CPU information, also the motherboard details, the memory, graphics, and then etc. Again, we also have the auto runs and the process explorer and another useful software, which is the everything. I personally will recommend this software to you. You can download it as a package on its own and use on your computer. It's very reliable. With this application, you can search for any file no matter where it's located. Assuming you have a file and then you've forgotten its name, you can just type in the name into the address bar and then everything application will just bring out whatever you are looking for without any stress. We also have the process explorer. This views hidden background tasks. And another interesting one, which is the Emisoft scan. With this, you can scan for malware and Trojan. You just have to click on launch Emisoft. This will open the emergency kit application. You can use this to scan your PC for malware or Trojan and viruses. You can either choose quick scan, malware scan, or custom scan. You can come to the quarantine section to look for apps that have been quarantined by the application. This is also a very useful application. We also have another one, which is the Sophos scan, and there has been partition, repair, and monitoring utilities like the Crystal Disk Info, Crystal Disk Mark, and then the process monitor, which is used to monitor applications that are running in the background. Just click launch beside any program. This saves time and protects beginners from harmful download sites. There is also another section, which is the system properties shortcut. With this, you can quickly open important Windows settings. Example like the apps and features. You can just click on open apps and features and then it will be launched straight from the settings. Again, we also have the display settings. You can just click on open display settings and it will be launched straight from the settings. There are other ones such as the startup apps, the storage settings, device manager, disk cleanup. With this one, you can just click on open disk cleanup and this will launch the disk cleanup for drive C. From here, you can free up more storage by deleting one of these files, like the temporary files, recycle bin, Windows Update Cleanup, Microsoft Defender Antivirus, temporary internet files, and then etc. And this system shortcuts is perfect for users who don't know where advanced settings are hidden inside Windows. So guys, you can download and try this repair kit by Filelist on your PC. This free tool will save time, repair errors automatically. It also removes bloat and junk files and improves responsiveness. In addition to all these, it adds malware scanning and centralizes system utilities. It's a must-have portable toolbox for Windows 10 or Windows 11 users. That's all for this tutorial, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this tool before and if this tool improved your system performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share to help others, and subscribe for more PC optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.